Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 10 August 2018, 18 of hour, 38 of minute and 19 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can someone insure my car? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can someone insure my car. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can someone insure my car. When a vehicle is financed in someone else's name, it can be difficult to place that car on your own car insurance policy. Most auto insurance providers require that you own a car to place it on your policy and insure it. This is called having insurable interest in the vehicle. Last update September 23, 2011. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.